Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum Pakistan and Pakistanis all over the world, and Namaste India and Indians all over the world, and a great Sat Shri Akal to Indian Sikh community, Sikh nation and all over the world. A great Sat Shri Akal from Asad Yaqub, and a very good hello to Nepal, Bangladesh, Africa, Saudi Arabia, UAE, and wherever you watch my videos, a great hello from Asad Yaqub. In this video, I'm going to share a case study of one of my students who got 8,777. Now many of you want to get 8,777, and because of age factor, because of immigration and some other reasons, you require highest band score in IELTS. So I'm going to share the case study of one of my students who got 8,777. I wanted to hide her name and everything about her, but then she allowed me and she said, "Sir, no problem. You can tell my name and you can tell everything about me. There is no problem." Still, I'm going to show you her result as well, but I'm hiding her picture. But her name is Natasha Kundu, and she is currently in USA, but actually originally she's from India, right? And she's from Bengali region. So Natasha, thank you very much for allowing me. Now Natasha finally got 8,777. Rather, actually her requirement was more than that. She wanted to get 8 in writing also, but she couldn't achieve, but finally she got that 8,777. Now what happened? Natasha started her IELTS journey in the month of June. On 24th June 2017, she appeared in IELTS test, and when she appeared, she got 7.5 in listening module, 8 bands in reading module, 8 bands in speaking module, but unfortunately she got 6.5 in writing. At this time, Natasha was quite depressed and she didn't know what to do because her target was higher than this, and she wanted 8 in listening. She got half band less in listening, and then she got half band less in writing as well. So she decided to do some practice and appear again. On 6th January 2018, Natasha appeared in IELTS test once again from USA, because she's originally, she's now in USA. Originally she's from India and she's planning to go to Canada. So she appeared once again, and then she got again 7.5 in listening, just half band. Half band means 1 or 2 more correct answers in listening and she could get 8. But this time she got 7 in reading. In the last test she got 8 in reading. She had taken 8 in reading, but this time 7 in reading, and she achieved 7 in writing and 8 in speaking. Her speaking band stayed. Now you can see her TRF as well. I'm showing you her TRF too. Natasha was once again upset, but she did not give up. Her target was to get immigration, to go to Canada, and she was determined. And she actually, and you know one thing, she did not do this thing that she appeared in the next test after 10 days, after 15 days. No, she took a break of 3 months. Then in the month of April 2018, Natasha was all set to take her IELTS test, and on 7th April 2018, Natasha appeared in IELTS test, but this time luck did not favor her that much. She got 8 in writing, where first she got 6.5, then she got 7, she got 8 in writing. Natasha got 8 in speaking in the month of April, but in reading and listening she could score only 6.5. See that? That is story of Natasha Kundu, my student from USA. And again she did not give up. She wanted, she had achieved 8 bands in writing, 8 bands in speaking, but she wanted to get more 8s, and especially 8 in listening. So still this IELTS result was not useful for her. Then she decided to appear in IELTS again in the month of June. 2nd June 2018, Natasha appears in IELTS test once again. And this is what Natasha gets on this date: 8.5 in listening. See that? 8.5 in listening, where she was getting 6.5 first, then 7.5, and she got 8.5, and she was overjoyed that she got 8. But unfortunately in reading she got 6.5, and once she scored 8 in reading as well. Then in writing she got 6. Now check. Natasha got 8 bands in writing. She got 7 bands in writing, and then they gave her 6 bands in writing, and she got 7.5 in speaking, whereas in the previous test she had attained 8 bands in that, and overall band score was 7. Now at this time Natasha was quite depressed and she didn't know what to do and all that, but she did not give up. She was positive and she was fully determined that no, I'll take this test and I'll get my required bands, and she wanted to go to Canada. Remember one thing, when your desire is strong, when your desire is something which you cannot live without. Now for example, you're all breathing, stop your breath for few seconds and after that you see you want to breathe. If your desire is as strong as the desire of breathing, then you can achieve your goal. So Natasha did not give up because she was not born to give up. She wanted to achieve her goal. In the month of July, 28th July 2018, Natasha is all set to take her IELTS test, and the target is 8,777, but she wanted more 8s. She wanted to get 8 in writing and she had achieved 8 in writing as well. So she went to take her exam on 28th July 2018, and this time Natasha got 8.5 in listening. She got 8 in reading. She got 7 in writing and she got 8.5 in speaking. And this is how she achieved her goal. But actually her target was to get 8 bands in writing as well. She wanted to get as many 8s as possible because then she could get more points for immigration. So Natasha did not stop there, and her overall band score was 8 in the month of July. She did not stop there and she tried 6th time. Now what happened? When she tried 6th time, in listening she got 8.5 because her listening really that had improved. So she got 8.5 in listening. 8.5 in listening means around 37-38 correct answers. Then she got 7 in reading, which was 1 band less than the previous one. In writing she maintained 7 bands. In speaking she got again 7.5, but she could not score 8. Now see, she attempted IELTS 6 times. If you take her TRF of 6 times and you join them, she could easily get 8 each as well. I mean, in the month of, in her 4th, 5th and 6th attempt, she got 8.5 in listening. Then in reading, in the first attempt, she got 8, and in the 5th attempt, she got 8. In writing, in the 3rd attempt, she got 8. In speaking, in 3 attempts, she got 8, and in 1 attempt, she got 5. Now, if we collect all the TRF, then she is getting her required band, but she is not getting the required band on 1 TRF. So this is actually the story of Natasha Kondo, my student from USA, originally from India, from Indian Bengal, and finally she achieved her goal and all that. So this is how it happens. That's what I believe. I mean, for example, if you appear in IELTS in 2 modules, if you're getting your required band score, that band score should stay constant. Next time you appear in the remaining 2 modules, and if you're getting better band, that should be added. At least all the candidates should be given 1 chance. Just 1 chance that okay, you appeared, you got 3 7 bands, 1 6 band, and your requirement is 7 each. You should be given 1 chance to reappear in 1 module, and this is how they can make more money. But they want to make more money by giving full test as well. Okay, even if they charge full money, but they should maintain the previous band score. I mean, okay, charge full money, doesn't matter. You can charge 30,000, whatever you are charging in other countries as well. So you can just do that. But the thing is this, that you have to maintain, I mean, you have to accept the old highest band scores, and then the newest ones you can add up there, and this is how students can get rid of this difficulty. This is the story of Natasha Kondo, my student, and she achieved her goal, and congratulations Natasha. Natasha is a very regular watcher of my YouTube videos, and she often comments on my videos as well, and this is how she achieved. So if your target is 8,777, you can do that also. But let me tell you, it can be, I mean, it is possible. If your English is exceptional, you can get 8,777 in the first attempt. But if there is, like, you know, what we call hide and seek, something like that, so you should be ready for that. But finally, if your English is good only, then you can get a 777. Thank you very much. If you like this video, hit on the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I also run another channel, Asad Yaqub Vlogs, and I want you to subscribe to that channel as well. Apart from this, I teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, you can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub wishes you all the best from Lahore, Pakistan. Take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.